Hey guys, so today we're making some more puppy food. So in here we have some cut up sweet potatoes. We're gonna boil that up, and here I have some lean ground turkey. We're gonna cook that up, and then we'll make us a little bit of a stir fry together with no oil, just without any oil. So we're gonna cook up this ground turkey and then just marry the two together. We try not to give them rice every day. We have like things we give them in between. Because they also have to be healthy. Yes, so this is their dinner for today and perhaps dinner for tomorrow. Yep, so ground turkey and sweet potato. Best combination for puppies and dogs.
And they're waiting for their dinner. Max? See, he knows his name already.
Coco.
And Coco. Say hello, boy. Say hello. They're cute. Mm-hmm.
So we'll be back to show you once we finish cook up the turkey and the sweet potatoes are boiled. We'll be back to show you what that combination looks like.
They're always between our foot when we're cooking.
Yeah.
They want some company. They don't want to feel left out.
Aloo.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cook this ground turkey until all the pink has disappeared. I mean, you could give dogs raw meat. After all, that's how they survived in the wild. But I'm still afraid they're puppies, and I don't want to start them on raw food right now. Right, honey? It's just out of an abundance of precaution, you know. Plus, vet bills is very high.
Yeah.
See, the pinkness is disappearing. Yeah.
And that's the cook.
How's the potatoes, sweet potatoes coming along?
It's coming along good.
Yeah, it's starting to boil. I cut it up like mostly in bite-sized pieces, and they all have the skin on it. Whatever skin stays on it stays, but for boiling it's with the skin. It's a little, there's some bigger pieces. We'll just like make it smaller.
This is cooking up nicely there.
Ground turkey smells good. There it is, Mexico. He's hunting. A piece of turkey fell. Poor Coco didn't get any turkey. Max grabbed all.
So we're gonna be back in a few minutes.
Hi guys, so we're back. Our turkey is all cooked. We added a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil is healthy for a dog. There you go. So here's our sweet potato that we boiled. We're just gonna add it in here. So it's sweet potato with ground turkey. You cannot go wrong. Guys, don't fight.
Hey, guys.
Hello? Machhi. It's a nice part of food. Yeah. Chili bit. Teeny bit of salt.
Not
A
too
little
much.
bit, yeah.
So this is gonna be their dinner tonight.
And tomorrow.
Yeah. And a little bit
Sprinkle
of
some turmeric.
turmeric is always good.
Yep, just a little bit. Okay. Max, Coco, here. Pepper like food.
And they love to hear that word here. Okay?
They always associate here with food.
If you say here, they'll come right away.
Just wanted this from. Yep, so that's it. Or nice well, I don't know what you call this dish, but it's just sweet potato and ground turkey. Mix.
Something different for them.
Yeah.
Instead you give them one old food every single day.
Well, we mix it up. We have some nice fancy, not fancy, it's not the name, but some really good quality wet food, canned food. We cook for them. We have this. They get boiled eggs. They eat their blueberries, all kinds of things. Guys?
And they love to play.
Yeah.
They're two buddies.
They're from the same litter, so how better? How can life get better for them? Better than that, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it, guys. This is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Ciao.